Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Crane Knowledge. Today I would like to introduce you to a European end beam. Firstly, the overall structure adopts a shot blasting treatment process. The surface is very smooth. Secondly, we are equipped with a removable rail sweeper. It is easy to maintain the wheels. Thirdly, the end beam is made of 40 cr mold wheels, and it is 125 in diameter. It can be used on 1 to 3 degree lifting machines. Fourthly, we equip each end beam with a label. It is easy to trace and find the information. Fifthly, the end beam is equipped with FA series reducer and inverter brake motor. The reducer is a German brand. According to the different needs of customers, reducer provides two choices of domestic brands and German brands. Okay, now look at the overall effect. In order to make it easier for customers to produce the main beam on site, we have equipped each end beam with a flange plate.